Farjana Ali and Samreen Mahmood, the youngest interior and furniture designer, founder of Senses by Samreen. Welcome, Samreen, to 101.
Thank you so much for having me.
Samreen, since you're carrying out your family legacy and you're into the furniture designing, so would you like to share your journey towards furniture designing?
Yeah, absolutely. Furniture is my father's business. It's my from UP सहारनपुर से मेरे दादा का भी यही काम था, फिर मेरे अब्बू ने का भी यही काम है, मेरे चचा भी यही काम करते हैं. So furniture is like our family business, and we have been doing it for years and years now. So I got my formal education in furniture designing degree, and then I pursued this business, and since I've been doing it, and then I further took it ahead to interiors. Then I am doing it as my own thing. Senses by Samreen is my own baby. I raised it. I have my own values for it. I wanted to have something of my own. I wanted to, apply all that I've learned and all that I want to do, and all I want to, take it. So I wanted to do it on my own.
So here, Samreen, I would like to ask, can we discuss about your baby today?
Yeah, of course. Of course, I offer home interior designing services. So since COVID hit, I actually started giving them online. Now I can, because of the experience I have gained, I can tell you where to get what, how to get it, and how much do you want it, and what can be your budget. So the exposure and the learning before COVID has helped me to just, give clients the consultancy to get things done on their own. So yeah, I offer services which you can get your home interior done executed through me, or you can get it on your own and just get consultancy from me.
Here I would like to ask Samreen, in this age, the girls usually go for styling, might be the fashion designing, might be, for some, the TikTok one, the selfies and all that. Why Samreen was that much motivated to go for the entirely a different field, which is male-oriented field, I would say. So, but furniture and the cutting of wood and to molding and carving, that's not that easy as it sounds today.
Yeah. Initially, my parents were very reluctant of the idea because they thought I'm really fragile and, choti si ho. And when I was getting into the university, even in the interview, I remember my instructor be like, "Are you sure?" So I was like, "Yeah, I'm sure. I'm not going to back off from this because it was a precious seat, and if I'm going to waste it, someone else's future might get affected." So yeah. So when I was working, मेरे हाथ भी कटते थे. मेरे साथ bleeding hands, bleeding foot at times, a lot of heavy work. I have to manage a lot of furniture items, etc. But carrying those weights, learning those stuff, I can make people do that for me now because I know how it's wrong and how it's right. So doing it through my own hands, I'm a better leader now. Getting things done is better for me.
That's very beautiful, and that is very inspirational, I would say, for the rest of the women. यहाँ पे मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि you're not tracing the things on the paper, you are actually doing what the masons usually do in the furniture shops while cutting the wood and designing it. So please, if you can explain that.
Yeah, when I will highly recommend women to understand what's happening. What the first thing I do with my client is I educate them. I just tell them, this is how it's going to be done. If you want to get it through me, good. If you don't, just be educated on the fact because you are going to be scammed if you're not well educated on what's happening. So if I know how to make things, no one can, bluff me. When I go to the market, no one can just tell me कि बाजी ये तो ऐसे हो गया, हवा लग गई थी, इसलिए गंदा हो गया, या पेंट की ऐसी फिनिश नहीं आई इस वजह से. No, I know क्यों नहीं आई. So I just tell them, no, stop lying. ये इस वजह से नहीं है, इस तरह करो. And at time मैं करके दिखा देती हूँ. रिकॉल आ रही होती थी फैक्ट्री में कि no, this is the finish I want because I understood the international standards because of the education I had and the work experience through the factory of my father. So I had to, merge those things. So I had to educate them that no, this is the standard, international standard I want, and this is how to get it done.
Oh. Well, Samreen, here I would like to know that what is scope for the women in furniture industry?
I believe in Pakistan there's a lot of scope because when you look at international videos, when you look at international magazines, they talk about their problems. Who's going to talk about our problems? We have people just look at the international magazine and they're like, oh, let's get, this done. No, we have a certain kind of environment. Velvet is not going to suit your, our weather. Raxine is not going to help us. because हमें अपने weather conditions को देखना है, हमें अपने उठने बैठने को देना है. There is a certain kind of value to a drawing room which is specifically in our society. It's a Rishta place. You get a lot of things which are formally done in a drawing room. I don't see that concept in Western, magazines. You can't see that. They will have very functional spaces. They have very minimalistic spaces maybe, and very, very contemporary spaces because they have a different routine. We have a different routine. We have to use a dirty kitchen. We have to, having a house which is very Spanish and Italian and not of serving our purpose. That's stupidity. So who is going to inform this? Who's going to inform that this is the environment, this is the style, and this is how you can incorporate it with keeping the functionality and the looks of it. So who's going to do that? A Pakistani person living in a Pakistani environment, a woman who holds the house. And in Pakistan, we can't just deny that. Okay, we have the major control of the house. So yeah, so a woman is going to tell a woman, this, if I'm a professional in what I do, then I'm going to solve your problem. This is what business is basically, solving a problem, not just roaming around spreading colors and rainbows. No.
So just they have to give the resolution, they have to give the solution,
and only we can do it.
Yes,
Pakistani,
the Pakistani can do it. Yes, Samreen, your message is very clear to the women that only the Pakistan person can understand what is the environment and what material is required that will suit to that environment. So Samreen, here I would like to know, where do you see Senses by Samreen in next 5 years?
I see it spreading all over the world. Why I think in a box? Why I think I am going to only transform houses of people in Lahore? Why I can do it? It's a global world, and COVID has pushed us to be global. It has pushed us to come online, and I can tell a lot to any person sitting anywhere in the world. So yeah, Senses by Samreen can help you, guide you, get your home interiors designed. Just sitting by a team of people just telling you what to do with your home, and maybe you can do the shopping on your own, or I can give you a shopping list. So get these items from these places, so you are at ease. So like 5 years, Senses by Samreen Interiors all over the world. Get your services done.
So all prayers are with you at the moment for Senses by Samreen. So Samreen, any challenges that you have faced while working in this industry?
It's very uncomfortable to just go in the market, to even starting with driving. The drive from my home to my workshop is just so hard when people are staring at you. Just stop and just stare at you, and you're like, and then there's a different language with the vendor, then there's a different language with labor, then there's a completely different language with the client, and then the team you're working with. So maintaining that persona, because in a society like ours, we have to keep up our face, we have to keep up a body language for different people. So I can't be my complete whole self as a Samreen with a labor. I have to maintain a kind of tone, a separate kind of attire for that. So, and wherever you go, you're going to be asked, hey, are you married? If you're not married, why are you working? How is your father allowing it? How are you? The dependency of I'm being allowed by men to just do what I'm doing, and have that kind of TikTok in my head. What if he stops supporting me? What if this happens? What if anything in the market happens? How am I going to deal with it? It's very uncomfortable to go around market, select items every day or something, because there will be men involved. Then there are labor, then there are men involved. So it's a very I get that a lot too. Okay, if you're a woman, a man might be very easy on you, but might be going very easy with the negotiations on you. But I deny that, because I'm here for work. I want a language of work. I don't want that, hispis of, I'm not with my friends. I'm at work, and I want that, like a man does.
Well, Samreen, you're absolutely right that the society needs to understand that if women is outside, she's there for work. She's not that fairy of their imagination and the dreamland. So they have to accept it, and they have to change their behavior towards that. Samreen, you're a role of inspiration for a number of women now, I would say. And from now onwards, there would be a number of the girls in this field too. So to whom Samreen inspired by? And who motivates Samreen?
I get my inspiration from a lot of videos, content, magazines. I just watch them and I'm like, oh my god, they're just doing so much. They're doing so much. I am inspired by people who are achieving things in life, who are doing hard work and achieving their goals. And as earlier in life, as you know, when I look at people who are achieving things in their 24s, I'm like, oh my god, I'm 26, I want to achieve this by, you know, this time frame. So I'm very goal oriented. So whoever is being successful and achieving everything through their passions, that inspires me. I want to be that too. I want to be somewhere in, you know, as much as the time passes, I want to grow rapidly in that. So yeah,
That's great. So, well, as you said, that number and the age doesn't matter. It's your dedication, it's hard work, and yes, it's your dreams that matters.
Yeah.
Samreen, here I would like to ask, Senses by Samreen पे 101 Incredible Women को कितना discount मिल रहा है?
okay, you can get your online interior design consultation with 10% off with 101 Incredible Woman. You can just, post the code on that and you can get your services designed.
Thank you very much, Samreen. It was a great conversation today.
Thank you so much for having me.